Right, in this video, just finishing off with the rear links and getting stuck into the exhaust system. Boy, isn't that fun. Right, here is the second one in. The best method I have discovered is to support the car and then get yourself an extra jack and jack this up until you're able to push this bolt out with your fingers. Because when you're trying to get this, get off of there, when you're trying to get this back in, it needs to be at a slight angle. Now, you could try lifting it up so that it's perfectly horizontal. I don't know if you'd achieve that, though. All I did was jack the car up on this, I got an air jack, you use whatever you use. Jack it up there. This, I then got a spike through here and just gave it a little bit of a tweak so that it would go in here, and then got a bar down through here to make sure it was as central as it could be, then push the bolt in. The bolt didn't go all the way in straight away, and just with a very light tap of the hammer, she plopped straight in, and then I put the nut on with Loctite. Yes, blue Loctite. Okay, that's it. And, well, you can see I've greased up my thingy here. Oh, by the way, anybody got any of these plates they don't want with the nice condition R on it? Mine are really crappy. I'm probably going to sandblast them and powder coat them silver, but then it won't have the I and the R on it. So I've got a friend who does some printing stuff. Maybe he could help out there. I don't know. I will have to beg him to see if he can do it, because the R is red and this is in green. Maybe I'll have to send him this so that he can make a template up. I will speak to him nicely. I would say I'd offer him my body, but that probably would put him right off. So I tell you what, I won't offer you my body if you do it. But if you don't do it, I will. Ha ha ha. Yes, Peter, I'm talking to you. Right, put the wheel back on. Okay. I have taken out the two oxygen sensors and labelled them LA and LB. That's left after and left before. And that means the cat, of course. The cowboys that put this in got the wires all twisted, and look at the fucking mess they made of that nut on there. Jesus Christ. Fucking cowboys. Anyway, so those cats are out now. Not the cat, you idiot. The sensors are out. I've already pre-sprayed here the connections. I'm going to start with this one this side, which is the shorter of the two pipes, as you can see. And I've also sprayed, if I can get there, up there. Don't know what sizes are yet. I'll let you know. Also, I have noted, and you should too, just in case. Let me see if I can get you back. LB, okay? That is the left back. No, it's not. It's the left before. Ha ha, you see, got to be careful. Left before, and this one's after. I don't think you can mix them up. I'm not sure. I'll tell you what. Yeah, you can't. They got the notches on opposite sides, so you shouldn't be able to mix them up. Ha! Should you? Right. Let's start ripping it apart. Okay, here we go. This is a 15. Let's Hope this will come undone. Right, well that's done. Is it? Oh, it's actually welded to the exhaust. Spot welded. So the only thing I can do is loosen it, and then once I get the other end out, see how that goes. I might as well loosen the other one while I'm here. I do have exhaust paste. Don't look like it's been used on this. Maybe it's a precise fit. I don't know. Again, we will see. These brackets don't move. Yeah, they are welded to the pipe. Spot welded, but welded nonetheless. They ain't going nowhere. So let's get the other end undone. Okay, let's see. And this is also a 15mm. There we go. Right, let me see if I can get the other one cracked before I go too far. Oops. This one's not so easy to get to. Hoping I can do it without a wobble. I don't know. That one wasn't done up tight. I wonder why. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, this exhaust has been adapted by somebody at some stage. Don't know where. Oh, anyway. Okay, let's see what happens now. I'm going to take this last one out. I can't believe it's going to be simple and easy. Right, that's the second nut off. Now you just take the exhaust out, don't you? Let's the flanges off. Now, is there enough room for me to wiggle it out? Am I going to have to cut something? Oh, I'm hitting a stud. Hang on. If I can get past the stud, life will be easier. Life will be a dream. Oh, there she is, out. Wow. That could have been a lot worse, couldn't it? Okay. Now I can have a quick look up there. It appears there is a ring there. I don't see any exhaust goo on it. I now need to put this up against one of the other ones and see. Interestingly, yeah, it's been banging here. Huh. I hope the new one doesn't. All right, gonna cut you off now whilst I get out from under here and have a good old look around. Don't worry, we'll be back. Oh, here they are, old and new.
First thing I want to do before I take all of the labels off, which I want to do, is I'm going to take the wrapping off of that end and just make sure it goes in. You never know. But looks pretty good. Cats are thinner, which is good. I may be able to sell these old cats. I don't know. I've got to send pictures to the people that buy cats, and if they say yes, then I cut the pipe off, cut the flange off, and just send them the cats. Wow. Shove them in a box and away they go. Yep. Okay. Let's get on and give this a trial fit. Oh well. Let's see if I can get this exhaust in now. That needs to be pried open somehow. Let's take this off. Completely. Right, let's get a chisel and a proper hammer. Well, that's one pipe in. That's got the oxygen sensors to do. That is a bloody tight fit. I can't argue with the quality of that, I'm afraid. I'm glad. Just push this heat shielding up just a little bit, so that it's not touching. Oxygen sensors in. Here's the next trick, and I'll put them in with some anti-seize, unlike the prick that did it before. Where did we go? I tell you what, this stuff is good, but by Christ, it's difficult to get out of the tube. Maybe the tube I've got is so old. There it is. But yeah. So there you go. That's one side in. I've taken all the labels off that I can get off. I've got the oxygen sensors in now. Keep those wires tucked up out of the way. Let's hope this gets me through emissions testing now. God. Tell you what, these are an absolute pig to get off on that bracket. Well, right. Now it's your turn. Get out of the garage. Go do some shit.